Wait there. You want to race the Benz? You want to race the Benz? Right now.
Not too many air pressures.
Out there, too many wins.
I don't know, he's not too many wins.
I'm trying to embarrass you, bro.
Hey, you say about straight like this.
Get that slow ass car out of here, bro. Alright, Santos, what we got going on here today?
I don't know, bro. Let me record this school bus.
Yeah, look at this man. Look at this man, man. Man come to work. Ready. Look at that shit. Got all his tools. Ready to go. Trying to be like you when I do it, bro.
For real?
Now, what we doing today, fam? Or what I'm doing today.
Honestly, I don't even know. I don't even know if I have the thing, bro. It's probably a stud.
Alright, just in case I do that.
Alright, so what we doing today? We're working on this CRV. We giving the CRV a makeover. So, we gotta change the radiator. Some people call it radiator. You know, my man found his socket, so he happy now. So we doing just radiator, valve cover gasket, spark plugs, and a VMS. Hold up, let me get it out of the bag. So a VMS dress kit, I guess, bolts, and yeah, a little cam caps, and yeah, that's what we're doing to the CRV today, you know. So we about to go see what our boy Jose doing over there. He brought his BRG in. He said he going straight pipe.
I'm on the clock. What? So, what
So,
does it do here?
You hear this guy?
Hey, send this shit to Lindsay, bro.
Yeah, this shit going straight to Lindsay. Get that slow car out of here, man. Alright, we'll be here when y'all get back. But yeah, we still at work, you know. We got this thing we gotta work on. Try to knock it out real quick. It shouldn't take that long. And yeah, go from there. So what we gotta do, we gotta take the 10 bolts that holds the valve cover down.
10 bolts.
No, the 10 millimeter
I'm
bolts.
about to say, wait, I know it's not 10 bolts.
Not 10 actual bolts. All together we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bolts that hold the valve cover down. Including the ground wire and this bracket for the power steering, whatever this thing is for the power steering gonna be come off as well. But he put in on a red valve cover that he picked up. So we swapping the old valve cover out for that one.
What you doing with this one?
I don't know. I might keep it. What do you think? My man focused, man. He focused.
Let me take this one. I'll take this valve cover. You don't need it. I don't need it. What do you need another valve cover for?
No, bro. I might buy another car.
And you go buy a car valve cover?
No, but I can make a valve cover.
Ah, nice. Yeah, hear me though. See crown there. It's different. Yeah, man. Quarter done. Get to youth. Nothing like when pocket full of cash. Many hungry.
The valve cover making you look bad, fool.
Yeah, so.
Add them in a snap-on tool collection.
I'm gonna kill you. It's like,
Just need a better screwdriver.
Oh, so that's all it was, man. My man needed a better screwdriver.
to mine? You know, check, right?
No.
When you put it, oh no, you can see it, right? Like this.
Nah,
right?
you're not here for that. You're not here for.
For okay.
Yeah, we
Damn.
just.
That thing was loose.
It was?
Yeah.
Damn, bruh. How loose was it? Pretty loose? Damn, man, loose booty. So, putting in some spark plugs that my man ordered. He got the same spark plugs
Look at that, man.
that my man Adam got. What are these?
Nah, boys are Denzos. Those are good.
Denso Platinum?
NGKs. Those are good.
Man, I don't know.
I don't
guys.
trust anything that isn't NGK on the Honda.
Yeah,
but-
I don't trust it.
But Honda take Denso sensors. So
My man said they good. He used to work at the auto parts store, you know. Hit him up if y'all need parts. He got the plug. Alright, they're not that bad, guys. Right?
I just said that.
Not that bad. Man, this background noise is gonna be horrible, bro.
What? That?
Yeah. It's gonna be horrible as fuck.
There you go.
Look at that. Noise level went all the way down, Sam. So the first part of this video gonna be bad. Cause the heater was
Right.
on. My bad, fam. The heater was on. That thing up there.
We're just working the fucking code.
So, yeah, where we live at is cold, man. So we need that heater.
You don't live in Florida. Like gosh.
I don't know, bro. I'm gonna move back to Florida.
Bro, I go up there so I can race Zosh and you.
So you gonna go so you can race Zosh?
I just want to be him, bro.
Huh?
I just want to be him.
I mean,
I'm disappointed you got a K, bro. I respect that dude, you know. That's my nigga. Like,
hey Josh, my man disappointed. You got a K, buddy.
yeah, man. Talking about B20 boys and then.
Yeah, Josh, you disappointed, my man. He got a Teggy like you.
Stock block.
You know what I'm saying? He was repping the Stop Block 1000. He was part of the B20 gang. And he said y'all abandoned him, man.
Nah, he abandoned us.
Yeah, well, you abandoning
The whole crew.
the
man.
whole family, the whole Stop Block 1000, the whole B20 gang.
Just to be.
Hold up, bro. But yeah, Josh, you disappointed my man, yo. He's happy for you and all of that. He's not mad at you, by the way.
Yeah, nah.
He's happy for you, but you know,
He's doing big things. I still watch his videos.
we still support you. You know, but he said you let him down, man. He was a part of that Stop Block gang, you know.
I am gonna hit on.
So, yeah, I mean, we overhauling the CRV. It's not bad.
What, this Pinto?
It is bad.
Tell your boy I could do this, bro. For him.
Yeah, we could. So, hold.
Oh, what? He got VMS boats for it?
Yeah, we got VMS Dress Kit.
Oh,
Camera control is bad. So, and VMS oil cap. I don't know what
Damn.
this copper piece is.
it's a cam seal.
That's a cam seal?
I'd assume so.
I don't know what it is.
Maybe it's for this.
I don't know, bro. It's supposed to be a carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. I don't know.
Carbon fiber, but it weighs more because you're putting it on the fiber.
Yeah. So,
Damn, this dude went all out.
we dressing it up, man. We dressing it up.
These baby, though.
I mean, he bought it like that, so.
Tell your boy to hit me up.
Oh, the gaskets. My bad, bro. Yeah.
Does he want this here?
Look at this. Fucking Honda certified, man.
Does he want this here?
What, that? That's where it goes at?
I'd assume so.
Fucking
I thought it was for this.
the cam seal? I doubt it's for that, bro. Nah, it's not for that.
So it's for this.
Yeah, I guess.
So you just put it on.
Yeah, let's take the sticker piece out.
Okay, Papi, come on, Papi. Let's go.
missed it. What happened?
You not seeing it? I'm just saying, cause I always check if I'm over here. It's not bad. It ain't that much. Play.
It's not like Adams.
Yeah, but it's still a lot of play. But
It's a timing belt.
that exactly. I mean, it's more play. But it will last them longer than the fall. To be honest. How these work.
Man, that thing already looks better, bro.
Yeah, it does.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh my
I just
God.
don't like the paint, but honestly, the heat will fix it a little, I guess.
Huh?
The heat will fix it a little, I guess.
The heat?
Yeah.
Man, I don't think he painted it. He bought it like that.
No, I'm not saying he painted it. I'm sure he didn't paint it. Just saying, you know,
These things are dope, man. I want some for my car.
hit me up if you need your Vavle car painted.
Shout out VMS.
Yeah, VMS doing their thing.
VMS is the shit. They doing their thing.
Shout out Downstar too, though.
Yeah, Downstar doing their thing. I ain't gonna lie though. I wish I could get a VMS sponsorship, man. That'd be dope as fuck. I'd be VMSing it all through the streets. Huh?
I don't know, go there.
Huh?
One doesn't go there.
Which one?
One doesn't go here. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Why you get 8?
Mm-hmm. How much you need?
Hey, I have a question.
What?
So my head, it don't have these bolts on it right here.
What boats?
These.
So what they got?
Huh?
Just gotta throw some bolts in there.
For real?
Yeah. I think we already one right there.
I can't see, bro, because everything's red. Shit.
What are you looking for?
I was making sure this
Long
one takes
go.
one.
So what about right here?
That one takes one?
Yeah. It ain't no more.
Yeah, one spare one. Sometimes I was looking, I was like, why is there so many? Does this one take one too?
No.
No, right? There's both goes for there.
That
And
don't
you
take
have
one.
here. Huh?
That don't take one. You got them in all the spots.
I'm just making sure, bro.
1, 2, 3, 4.
See, now these you don't use a
6,
gun
7.
on.
Nah, those you can't use a gun on. They're too pretty.
You don't use a gun on any of them, to be honest. I would never.
Hey, listen. I don't go for Honda torque spec. I go for German torque spec. You tighten it until it's tight.
I drive a Honda and go off a German torque spec.
Technically, I don't drive a Honda, bro.
To your videos, to me, you drive a
I
Honda.
don't
You just daily a German car, but you drive a Honda.
Technically, you're right. I daily a German.
Disgusting.
Hey, ain't nothing wrong with Germans. Alright, maybe they are.
I'm not saying they bad, you know. If I could afford the German, I'd drive one, you know, once a year. Not as a daily though. Like what is the German gonna get you? Adam, you're fixing your toolbox? Yeah. On the floor?
Look at this kid. Adam, what you doing? I don't know, I'm asking you, what you doing? Fixing your toolbox? I was coming along. What? I was coming along. Alright. What's up? And I wish he had some better spark plugs.
The wires?
Spark plug wires.
Some what, like blue ones or something?
Yeah, you know, some blue, something different, you know.
The blue ones aren't different.
I'll zip tie that down, don't worry. Damn! Look at the motherfucker.
I like this, bro. I like that. That shit look clean as fuck.
Yeah, it is dope. So yeah, now we gotta do the radiator, man, on this thing. So we gotta lift it up, drain the coolant, get the radiator out, and yeah, you know, get on with the job.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the crock pot.